Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. This is Oxford Primary Mathematics and I am Ahsan. Many students were complaining that they were struggling in problem sums or word problems or statement questions. Okay, so let me jump on page number 57 directly. This is the page for word problems. Word problems are not difficult. You just need to understand the question. That's it. If you don't understand the question, read it again. Read the question twice or you can read it 3 times. Word problems are not difficult. You just need to understand the question and then it will become easier for you to understand it. Let me get my pen. I make blank space here because I'm going to solve question number 2. Okay, so I'm going to read the question and one more thing, whatever information I'll get from it, I will write it. And then we will see what can we process with this information. A bakery sold a total of 3028 coffee buns and blueberry buns. Means altogether coffee buns and blueberry buns both are sold and the total number is 3028. Let me write 3 better. Okay. So next information they are telling you is 1560 more coffee buns were sold than blueberry buns. Take it like this. This is like blueberry buns. They are saying that 1560 more coffee buns were sold. Okay, blueberry buns plus 1560 will give you the answer of coffee buns. Right? Blueberry buns plus 1560 because they are telling you that 1560 more coffee buns were sold than blueberry buns. Okay. So whatever thing is totally unknown, we write X for it. They didn't tell us about blueberry buns. So for blueberry, we will write X. And in this question, we will call blueberries to this X. Okay, and coffee buns? How much coffee buns? Blueberry buns plus 1560 is coffee buns, right? Okay, so now I can say that this is like blueberry buns plus coffee buns is the total of 3028. Let's write it. Can I write it like this if I don't use these things and I use only this and I say that it is equals to 3028? Will it be easy for you to understand? I will not use these words, right? I will use x plus 1560 is equals to 3028. Let me explain you this again. For in this question I told you we will call blueberry buns to this x. So now I am reading it. Blueberry buns plus 1560 is 3028. And we said that it is coffee buns. So I am again reading my expression. It is like this. Blueberry buns plus coffee buns is equals to 3028. Did you understand it? If yes, then give thumbs up to yourself. Okay, now we will solve it with the rules of basic algebra. That is really very easy. Okay, so when two x are written separately, we can add them. X plus x is 2x plus 1560 is equals to 3028. Okay, anything that goes to the other side of is equals to will have its opposite sign. 1560, if it will go to the other side of is equals to, it will have subtraction sign. So 2x is equals to 3028 minus 1560, right? So here I will write x is equals to, let me do this subtraction, 3028 minus 1560, make it 29 and 1 carried, 12 minus 6 is 6, 9 minus 5 is 4, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2x is equals to 1468. What is the function of this 2 here? This 2. This 2 has a multiplication function with x. When it will go to the other side, it will divide the number. This x will go to the other side and it will divide the number. So x is equals to, let me divide it here, 1468 divided by 2. So it is 7, 3, and then 8 will get down. 4 times 8. 734. Okay. So x is 734. What was our x in the question? The x was this, blueberry buns. So it means that blueberry buns were 734. 734. Blueberry buns were 734. Let me clear the board. Okay. So here we found that blueberry buns were 734. Right? Now we need to find how many coffee buns did the bakery sell. It was our actual question. How many coffee buns were there? Okay. So what do we have for finding coffee buns? Blueberry buns plus 1560. So how many blueberry buns were there? Blueberry buns were 734 plus 1560. Right? Let's add 1560 plus 734. Sorry, let's write 4 here, 9 and 2. 2294. Right? So coffee buns were 2294. Right? Okay. Now we have found that we have blueberry buns 734 and coffee buns were 2294. And now we can proof check our question. How will we proof check? They told us that the total numbers were 3028. This number 3028. Let's add these two and check. Will we get 3028? 2294 plus 734 and 12. 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1 carried forward, it is 3. So our answer is correct. It is 3028. Total buns for 3028. So today we have solved this question. Please try to do it. Watch this video. And if you don't understand it, watch the video again and then try to do it. Try to do the question without watching the video. Okay, and if you don't understand any step, you can ask me in comments section. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.